Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to fix Unity error in Honkai. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to fix Unity errors in Honkai Star Rail, try updating Windows and your drivers, disabling antiviruses or security software, and try running the game as administrator. Now, if nothing works, you can also try to reinstall the game or Unity or disable Windows game mode. Another suggestion is to delete Mihoyo SDK and Cognos pair folders in the registry file. So if the problem still persists, you can simply need to contact Unity's customer support or consider other troubleshooting steps. You can try to update your Windows and driver as soon as possible, and you can simply try to do some registry edits, or you can check log files, uninstall the Citrix drivers, remove old builders, or try to rebuild a new one. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.